Downtown, here we are. Going back now. Starbucks, boom. Nice city out here. I love this place. It's cool. It's like a whole entire scenery for a music video, for a movie, whatever you want to do. There's a lot of good stuff out here in Denver. I like it. All right, y'all. Waterfall, ladies and gentlemen. We're staying at the Courtyard Marriott. Courtyard Marriott, I should say. Right here. There you have it. Denver, Colorado. Pledge relish for the fame. Oh, Chase right there. Chase. You see how zooming in. My main bait. You see that, y'all? Chase. Back it on back up. All right, let's go.